Can we get Incy Wincy Spider inside the big container? 1, 2, 3.
I'm just going to go slow.
Okay.
There's half the job.
Step 1.
Now what?
Where's the piece of paper?
Step 2, piece of paper. I'd rather this be a bit of steel.
Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper backing. Oh. Okay, well, he's climbed up this end. You might even be able to get the lid on.
You're going to go for a lid.
Yeah.
Oh, I reckon that's when he's going to jump out and run up the arm. He's probably going to do that anyway. Can I throw him your way?
Sure. A brave.
Yeah, I do think we might be able to get that lid on.
Yeah, so do I. Got it the right way around. Yep.
I would probably just pick it up, right? So get the paper, pick it up, and then...
Hashtag legendary. Spider catcher man.
Leave it to start.
Yeah. Didn't want that piece of paper anyway. Put him up there. Put him up there. Hold him up there. He's your friend. I got a friend.
My friend doesn't want to talk to me.
Bye, friend. It's time to say goodbye to Mr. Spider. Okay, so we've come down to the creek full of trees.
Looks like he's ready to go.
I have to come down here so I can see him. He's getting
Very active.
excited.
Very active. He's ready to go. I like that.
Lid off. And no movement.
Time to go.
Gonna tip it sideways.
He's going.
Tip it sideways so he can get off on the tree.
Okay.
He's going the wrong way now. I braver than you.
We'll see.
Until he runs. Come on, walk out on the tree.
He's on the
Ah, good, Mr. Spider. Oh, where is you? There you is. Bye, Mr. Spider. Have a good life.